Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Firstly, मैं आपको बता दूं, this video is not for beginners. This video I chose because there are many misconceptions कि now as a data analyst, you should stay or not, or you should switch to AI. So let's talk on that. And this this is gonna be a real talk. There's nothing I'll suggest you on some website. I'll leave you. There's nothing like that. So talking first, if you see basically what it is, explaining of data, getting insights, information is different ways how you explain the data to the respective customers. Fine. So data analytics is about explaining and understanding data. Okay, it is like you find trends, you find insights from the data, and you put down in a certain structure that it makes sense. On the secondary hand, the AI is more related to about predicting and automation of data. That is about that is one step ahead of what data analytics do. The data analytics is most of the time works on the data that is already available. Okay. Certain ways it works with the data when we generate data. Okay, through surveys or different forms of communication, communicating. Okay, modes, but AI is not at the stage where you can just enter as a beginner and boom, you make the profit. So being a data analytics is a different thing. Being an AI agent or AI person is a different thing. Now, should we switch? So it totally depends at what stage you are currently at. So suppose you are a beginner. So for you, being at this stage of data analytics could be beneficial in many ways. For example, data analytics will teach you stats. Data analytics will teach you problem solving skills, critical thinking skills. It will teach you the different tools which are required in solving different sorts of problem, working with data, data understanding. There are multiple things which you get to learn when you are working with data. When you are, it's like a two-way communication between you and the data. But if you're already a person who has crossed some experience of about 5 year, 10 year, and 15 years of experience, so this is the correct time to switch. You should not call it a switch. You should call it an upgrade to your career to as a person, because you are not capable, like you are now capable of understanding the complex data sets which a beginner couldn't. Okay. For a beginner, learning Python, learning R, understanding visualization tools, ठीक है, understanding data cleaning tools is a tough thing. ठीक है, एक beginner के लिए this is a achievement if he gets to know or if she gets to know at certain stage. But a person who is already has an experience of 15 plus years could upgrade himself to AI, and he can switch or she can switch towards automation and prediction, because at the end of the day, a company or an industry, like AI is increasing and AI is up, like making its place in different industries like healthcare, logistics, and different parts. It is not in is like it's only in healthcare and retail. It's like in different forms like healthcare, finance, retail, logistics, and mostly entertainment. Well, jiska best example is how we are getting these AI agents which can clean our voices, which can edit videos, which can automate, generate, and like idealize the overall concept. Okay. So end of the day, what matters is you have that proper skills which industry requires. So you will be needing both the skills at whatever stage you are. You need the critical thinking skills, you need problem solving, you need to know the applications which are currently used in the market. So the simple concept is, if you are a beginner, do not switch to AI. Learn the basics. Learn to work with the data. Learn to understand different parts of data. And if you are already experienced, you can switch to AI. That makes more sense, because in this will be more beneficial for you. What is the smartest path? If you talk about the smartest path is hybrid. Now why? Because a personal, ठीक है, or a professional person who thrives in the skills like data analytics and AI is at the top in the hierarchy. ठीक है. wisdom through knowledge is uncomparable. The skills you learn will be the identity they make for you. The person you be is something by what you do. So if you have to go those skills like AI and data analytics, and you make yourself valuable to the industry, you will really do very good for it. ठीक है. ऑल्सो लास्ट वीडियो में आई टोल्ड यू डिफरेंट पाथवेज, ठीक है, जो अगर आपको ए आई एंड डेटा एनालिटिक्स दोनों साथ में रखना है तो आप उनको ही फॉलो कर सकते हो. यू कैन बी अ रिसर्चर, यू कैन बी एन academician, you can be a different roles such as you can be a professor, you can be a lecturer, you can be a doctor in certain ways. ठीक है. So it totally depends ki what is your interest area, how you wanna capture yourself, how you wanna show yourself to the outer world. ठीक है. So looking to all these points, you can visualize ki you want to switch or not. You want to go to some place. You want to become someone. So this should only be your suggestion. This should only be your idea. This should be your problem solving option. ठीक है. Because you have your own life, and this takes everything whatever you can have from the surrounding. ठीक है. So that's all for the video. I hope you understood that what is the significance of both data analytics and AI in today's world. And this way you can systematically make moves in this industry and bring value to yourself and the rest of the members or the company you have bought up. Okay. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you have any doubt, I will add up the form link. Okay. It may be in my channel description or to the description of the video. Okay. So you just check it. Also, I've already posted, so you can go to posts and you can see the link there. Uh, and those questions could be answered in the upcoming Q&A sessions that will take place on 31st of August, I guess. And so let's hope and see you together, and we can have a live together where we can discuss these things openly and with clear thoughts process. Okay? Thank you so much.